Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the Wisdom Keepers box by WeVolve. So it's been a while since I got this subscription, but I needed it back in my life. I think I've kind of talked about this in a recent video, but I'm obsessed with reading, especially spiritual books. I am reading 3 books at a time. I rotate through. I used to read 1 book every few days, but I feel like, what I'm in the mood for changes. So I usually am dipping into 3 books. So I just can't get enough. So I remembered WeVolve. And this is an every other month subscription. So the Wisdom Keepers box, they have every other month, and then alternating with their esoteric box. I subscribe to both again. So I did purchase these myself, and it is $29.95, and I got it on Cratejoy. And right now there's a special discount if you use the code MYSTIC. So I will link them down below along with that code if you are interested in subscribing. I love that it's every other month. It gives you time to read your book. I probably won't take that much time, but you never know. And to use other items. You get a book, and then it's about a theme. There's a theme, and then you get a book within that theme and a few other items as well. So I'm super excited to see what we have inside. Let's get started. And I'm using a mic, so hopefully the audio is okay and I'm not hitting it or anything. So I love this. The card that has all the descriptions on it can also be used to hang up as an affirmation. I have one over there that says, "I'm a magnet for wealth and abundance." I still have it. That was from last March. It says, "I am present, peaceful, happy, and whole." So the theme is peace and presence. I love that. And this is how everything is wrapped. So let's see what the little description for the month says. This curated collection is an invitation to come back to self, to stand in the present moment and find the peace that lives within. As we move from the 3D reality into the 5D, it is necessary to disengage from some patterns and ideals that we agreed to when we incarnated here. Some of these agreements center around hustle mentality and lead us into patterns of stress, dysregulation, and dysfunction. As we heal these patterns in ourselves, not only do we feel better in our own bodies and lives, but we also help the collective whole. Blessings, starseeds. We are so happy that you're here. I love that. It looks like we have a book and then 3 other items. And then the bottom, I love this. This is Dive Deeper. It gives you a suggested meditation. And it looks like, wait, are there a few? A suggested meditation, transmission, and a yoga sequence, I think? Cool. And they send a collective healing email to you. I remember that. There was a meditation and transmission before, and it was so powerful. I'm super excited about that. I totally forgot about that part. But let's get started. I see a jewelry piece right on top, and it looks like howlite. And there's a little lotus on it. Oh, I love howlite. It's very calming. We'll read what they say about it. And I love lotuses. I love working with Lakshmi. And I was going to say, can you see it? It's right over there. My little Lakshmi altar, but it reminds me of her. But anyways. So the white howlite and lotus flower crystal bracelet by WeVolve box. White howlite is a calming stone. It aids in cooling heated emotions and in regaining emotional balance. It also promotes peace, stillness, open-mindedness, and stress relief. The lotus flower represents both awakening and enlightenment, but also serves as a reminder that beauty can grow out of muddy waters. You can bloom in any environment, my dear. I love that. I'm super excited about this. And then looks like we have some herbs or some tea. I mean, probably both. Sorry, it's a little reflective. Calming Rest Organic Tea by Star West Botanicals. I am a huge tea drinker. I actually switched out my morning coffee with tea. I'm all in the tea now, so give me all the tea as well. All the books, all the tea. Made with a blend of fully organic herbs and flowers, this tea is here to help calm your mind, body, and spirit and aid in nervous system regulation. This tea blend contains chamomile, peppermint, decaffeinated sencha leaf green tea, skullcap, wood betony, catnip, and stevia leaf. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. This sounds so good. I make my own tea at night with chamomile and peppermint and also mugwort sometimes, but I haven't had this mix. I've been wanting to try a skullcap in my teas. Oh, I'm super excited. Awesome. I'm super excited about this. I love having nighttime tea. And then, Don't Hate, Meditate Okay, I feel like I'm being annoying. Like everything I pull out, I'm like, I love this, but I actually incorporate meditation daily now, and I've always known I should. I would dabble in it sometimes, but now I do it every morning after I do yoga, and it is powerful. So it's a little meditation kit, 20-minute mindful moments kit by WeVolve. So let's see what's in it, and that one we can read. So it's a little set. Oh my God, these are the cutest little candles in the world. How cute is that? And then we have some matches in here. So let's read about what it says. This is so cute. So we created this sweet little kit for you to give you an easy tool to take just 20 minutes for yourself. It's a reminder that mindfulness comes in moments, not hours, and that meditation can be as simple as staring into a candle flame. Simply place a 20-minute candle into the provided candle cup. Oh, so these little cute candles. Oh, and this is the right on top. I see that now. You can place the candle right in there. See. Oh my God, and they last 20 minutes. These are the cutest. I'm so excited. But anyways, so place it in the little candle cup. There's a wax fitting inside to hold your candle with ease. Use the provided matches to light your candle, then stare into the candle flame with gentle focus until the burn is complete. You may also use your candle as a timer as you focus on your breath. Please make sure to place your tin on a heat-safe surface and allow it to completely cool before touching, as metal holds heat. When you need refills for your kit, search up the meditation candles in Blodgett or on Etsy. Oh, Blodgett, Oregon, I think OR. It's an Etsy shop, Blodgett. OR. I'm guessing that's Oregon. Cool. But now the main thing here. Let's see what our book is. Man, it's pretty, first of all. Is my hair wild? Burn Bright. Heal Yourself from Burnout and Live with Presence, Purpose, and Peace by Charlene Rimza. Let's see. I'm going to hold it up when I read the back. Say goodbye to your burnout and reignite your sparks to burn bright. Do you have trouble getting started at work or being productive? I think a lot of us can relate to that, right? Do you constantly feel drained of energy? Do you have a hard time feeling satisfied from your achievements? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you may be experiencing burnout, which is a real and widespread hidden epidemic and a social norm. True, sadly true. But the good news is that you don't have to continue feeling this way. In Burn Bright, licensed clinical social worker Charlene Rimshaw shows you how to overcome burnout by tapping into the answers that already reside inside you, within you. With over 35 guided exercises, wellness tips, and proven strategies, each chapter is designed to build on the previous so that you can easily and quickly acquire healthy skill sets, making it the perfect toolkit to help you live how you truly want, be who you really are, and burn bright again in no time. I love that. And it says here it's $18 US or 25 Canadian. Seriously, I think everyone could use this, right? So let's just, oh my God, the pages are really pretty. I just want to look at the table of contents. So they talk about what is burnout, burnout culture, and then chapter 1, mindfulness focus. Chapter 2 is a body focus. 3, the mind. 4, emotional. 5, social and personal. And then wellness. And then there's a bunch of other chapters. I was just saying the focus of each. Like, oh my God, I love it. They have like colored tables and stuff. This looks like it's going to be such a great read and visually stimulating as well. Okay, so on this page, there's like a table here about stress triggers, and then there's a tip, the mantras, I love this. This is going to be super awesome. I'm so excited to read this, you guys. This is awesome, and I think it goes really well with the theme. So we have all these items like help us like unwind, relax, meditate. Seriously, even the stone is so well curated. I'm really excited about this. So that is everything today in the Wisdom Keepers box. So next month I will get their esoteric box, which you know I'm all about that stuff too. So I'm really excited to be getting these boxes again. But that's it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Again, I will link WeVolve, the Wisdom Keepers box down below. Again, it's $29.95 and there's that code. It says for a special discount. I'm guessing it's like $5 or something. I don't know. Let me know if you use it, how much you save. But I'm super excited about this, to have it back in the rotation of boxes. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any like similar boxes to this that you recommend, because it's totally what I'm into these days, or any other boxes as well. I would love to hear. But anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Love you.